This is a severe wall failure. Let me show you why this happens and how we can fix it. When you see water accumulate around your basement, it can exert a tremendous amount of force on these walls. Over time, this pressure can lead to cracks, even cause the walls to bow inward. It's a serious issue that can threaten the structural integrity of your home. That's why waterproofing your basement is so crucial. By preventing water from seeping through the walls in the first place, you can significantly reduce the amount of hydrostatic pressure building up and causing damage. Now, you've already noticed some cracking or bowing in your basement walls? That's where the IntelliBrace system comes in. This innovative solution can be installed right here on the inside of your basement without the need of extensive outside excavation. It's a huge advantage, especially if you have limited space around your house or if your neighbors are too close. IntelliBraces first stabilize the damaged wall, preventing it from bowing in even further. Then, over time, the system can be adjusted to gradually push the wall towards its original position. This not only stops the damage from progressing, but can actually reverse it to some extent. The key is to catch these problems early. The sooner you address issues like cracking or bowing, the easier they are to fix. If you wait too long, the damage can become much more severe, and you might need more extensive repairs. Keep an eye out for any signs of wall damage in your basement. And if you do notice anything, don't hesitate to look into contacting a professional to protect your home.